So today we'll take this beautiful piece of wild olive and this beautiful piece of black granite, make a bowl with the inlay of this granite. So stick with me and I'll show you how I'm doing it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and at the bottom put remarks. You like it, you didn't like it, you think it's a good video, you think it's a bad video. Let me know. And let me know also if you have any other videos that you'd like me to do. Enjoy and let's go. Before I turn the ball around, I will send it from 120 to 600, and then I'll put a Yorkshire grit on it, and then I visit a place called Just Bee, and I found over there a bee polish, and I'll try my hands on this one the first time, and I'll see what's the result. Actually, it's a simple bee, not just bee, simple bee. It's a small town next to Cape Town, and most of the industry over there is to do with bees and with honey. And we visit over there quite often, and this time I saw this polish, and I'm trying it for the first time. I already brought a few biggest pieces from the granite. It's like a half-inch pieces. The pipe is just irrigation pipe with a cap, and the rod I'm using this time, I'm using it's a chisel. I'm using the back side of the chisel to break the granite. I'm separating between the two cups, the medium size and the thin sizes of after I'm crushing it. This is a UV resin used to by the ladies or the gentlemen that putting nail polish, and it dries with a UV, imported from China. I used it a few times for other projects and it works quite well. Second layer of the UV activated resin, and now I'm putting in the gaps. I'm putting smaller pieces and dust of the granite. That's how you activate the resin to dry with the UV, the 369 um, wavelength, and it dries in seconds. A normal angle grinder, the one that you get in the USA from Harbor Freight or from any hardware, and Mercenary stone, nothing special about it. To close the small gaps in between with some dust, granite dust, I'm using super glue because the gaps are too small, and it's easier to use the super glue than to use the resin. $60 sandpaper. This one is actually automotive sandpaper for body filler, but it's a normal 60 sandpaper. Now we're running sandpaper all the way to 600 like I do usually, from 120 all the way to 600. To smooth it up, I use steel wool. Now I'm using pads, from normal pad all the way to microfine pads. On the microfine side, I'm not using water, but I'm using car polish, just to try to give it a little bit more shine to the stone. And to finish, I'm using the Novas 3.2 for deep scratches and for thin scratches, and I think the Novas will give it the shine that I want. It's very similar to work like with the resin, only a little bit harder. You need a little bit more patience than with resin because it's very hard, but slowly it gets the shine, and it comes right. You can see it now. I'm using a vacuum check. The blue pipe on the left side comes from my vacuum cleaner to the back of the lathe. I made a connector, and I'll I'll do the base of the bowl, and I'll make some line just to give it a little bit of a shape and a little bit of a feature. The line I will darken, I'll burn in with a piece of formica, um, and then I'll make a groove in the middle to fit my emblem, my copper emblem. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, subscribe to my channel and put in the remarks at the bottom. Did you like it? You didn't like it? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.